Have you ever thought about trying reflexology? Um, Reflexology is a bit different from massage. The pressure can feel a little deeper, and each of the points is really meant to help a specific area of the body. Um, as we're working on a reflexology treatment, we're going to use slightly different techniques. We tend to use the point of our thumb or the point of our fingers a bit, and we move along an area or into a specific point on our client's body. And these points should reference back or reflect those parts of the body or those systems of the body. So, as you're working on your client or your patient's feet, you are going to um, think about the places on the reflexology map that this might correspond with and see if they have discomfort in those areas. Or if you've got a client that comes in for specific symptom management of something that's going on, then you're going to kind of concentrate on those particular areas as you do your reflexology service for those clients. If you're interested in learning more about reflexology, we do have a reflexology seminar in Costa Rica coming up this fall. We'd love for you to join us. Um, Check out our website and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will talk with you soon.